Hi guys, welcome back. Those of you new to the channel, I'm Teresa Perrin, and I want to discuss Upstart with you and why I think it's starting to squeeze. Please remember to smash that like button, and nothing I say is financial advice. Let's get started. So Upstart is up $4.64 today, or 27.19%. But guys, it is down $221.05, or 91.06% in the past year. That's absolutely crazy. This market cap has just gotten obliterated. Now, if you haven't already seen it, check out my video on Carvana, because there's a few stocks that are going to benefit from this CPI print today, and especially those that make money based on lower interest rates, because hopefully this will be the start of the Fed backing off with the rises of interest rates, and companies that have high exposure to rising federal interest rates, which makes borrowing more expensive and causes consumers to wait until rates come down, will benefit from the CPI and the fact that hopefully we will see the Fed make a little switch. So companies such as Upstart, obviously I'm talking about it, Carvana, like I just said, if you haven't already, check out that video. And guys, companies like Affirm and others that have this similar, lending platform where people borrow money, they benefit when the rates are lower. High interest rates, people tend to put those larger purchases on hold. So Upstart is ranked by 13 analysts who rank it a hold, 46%. 8% it's a buy, 38% it's an underperform, and 8% it's a sell. Now, as the price goes up, these ratings will get better. That I can promise you. The analyst price targets are between $10 and $42, with the average being $22.50. Now, again, this just came off of earnings where they were downgraded by several due to the current market situation. Now, according to the technical analysis, we were finally given a bullish signal, but guys, it's the first one from a very long downtrend. So we only have one bullish signal on this entire map. And right here is where it came from. And that was given because the selling is just exhausted, okay? Which is what caused this very lovely 3-candle print. And this is a very bullish 3-candle print, by the way. So I expect to see a continuation of this move upward tomorrow. It's looking very, very good technically. Still, it's very oversold, clearly. And here's where things get really good. The short interest is 35.44%, according to Fintel, with 2.72 days to cover. There are 0 shares left to borrow. So shorts kind of can't keep shorting this when there's no shares left. So let's hope that 0 stays 0. And the cost to borrow is 35.79%. Today, the short volume ratio was still at 56.25. So even with the price rising, there were shorts still continuing to try to short this. I have no idea what they're thinking at this point, but if the market continues to trend upwards, this will definitely continue to trend upwards as well, or it should, unless something really bearish happens, but I don't see that happening right now. I think the shorts are exhausted and it's time for them to cover. The short volume ratio average has been between 51.74 and 61.69%, which you can see there's several days at 60%, right, in the past 2 weeks. So I think that enough's enough, right? Now, as far as the failure to delivers go, interestingly enough, they're getting to be more and more. So this is going to come into play with this stock and going to help it to squeeze higher. Tomorrow they have 1,227,132 shares due. And that went slightly down the following week to 1,046,238. So yeah, they may have covered a couple hundred of those, but then it gets higher and higher and higher. So they've been kind of building themselves up with a lot of failure to delivers. And guys, there is no shares left for them to borrow. So I think tomorrow we see a very, very nice move continuation in Upstart that could potentially lead to a huge short squeeze. So thank you so much for watching and have a great night. And I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow with Upstart.